Hi, and welcome back to Stop Being Sold. My name is Michelle, and I'm here with Brian. And in today's video, we're talking about how NFTs are taxed. And this is a really important topic because it's not so cut and dry, is it, Brian?
No, it's not.
Mm.
And, Michelle, the taxes you pay on NFTs are broken down into two categories, investor or creator. And the investor is someone who buys an NFT. That's pretty straightforward, right?
Right.
The creator is someone who makes the NFT, but this isn't as cut and dry, especially if you're set up to get paid royalties on your NFTs. So
Yeah. Oof. All right. So let's back it up and start with the investor. And actually, before we do that, if you like the content of this video, please help us grow the channel. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video from us. That would be a shame. Anyway, all right, Brian, let's dive in and let's talk about the investor side of taxation for NFTs. What do viewers need to know?
Okay. As an investor, the sale of an NFT is treated as a capital gain or loss, just like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Okay. But there's a catch. NFTs are mostly bought and sold with crypto like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. So in the eyes of IRS, you've actually made two transactions and you're going to be taxed on both of them.
Tax twice. Fun
Yes.
time.
So the first transaction is when you buy your cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Cardano so you can purchase an NFT.
Sure.
You have to sell it. So like Ethereum, you got to sell that crypto to purchase the NFT according to IRS. That's a transaction. Secondly, you can be taxed on the profit of the NFT when you sell it.
All right.
There's your two transactions, two different taxations.
Okay, so I have a quick question for you for clarification. Even if an NFT is bought, let's just use Ethereum, right? If an NFT is bought using Ethereum, right? Is it considered, but the NFTs on the Ethereum network, is it considered a sale of that ETH when you purchase the NFT?
Yes.
Because it's a complete separate thing.
Right.
Okay. Non-fungible tokens. Got it.
Right. The IRS says that during this transaction, Michelle, you've actually sold the crypto to purchase the NFT.
Got it. Okay.
Now, how much you pay in taxes now is based on several different factors. Number one, how long have you held that crypto?
Okay.
What's your income level? And did you make a profit or loss from the sale of that cryptocurrency?
So can you give us an example of how this would play out? Like how someone gets double taxed?
Yes. Oh, real simple. And trust me, I think about this every time I do a transaction in the NFT space, and it happens. So let's keep it simple. Let's say you bought one ETH for $1,000.
Okay.
Let's say it's a few months ago. I'm using 1,000 because it's easier for explaining purposes.
Yeah, I would love to buy ETH for $1,000.
It would be nice. It was just a month or so
right?
ago, right?
Exactly. It wasn't too long ago.
Now, let's say you want to buy an NFT for one ETH. And now today, ETH is $2,000.
Okay.
In the purchase, you're going to sell your one ETH at the $2,000 to buy the NFT.
Right.
You will pay short-term capital gains as ordinary income because you held it under a year on the $1,000 gain that you had in ETH. Okay. So what you paid the NFT for, you just made $1,000. There's a capital gains. Now, here's how you're taxed the second time. Let's say when you bought that NFT for one ETH and ETH is now at $2,000, 6 months from now, NFTs worth 2 ETH and ETH is still at 2,000. Okay. So the price of ETH hasn't changed, but the floor price of the NFT has increased. Okay. You sell your ETH or your NFT for 2 ETH and pocket $4,000. 2 ETH times $2,000. You would now owe short-term capital gains as ordinary income on the profits from the sale of this NFT. And since you held both the crypto and the NFT for less than 1 year, you pay ordinary income tax on the gain. If it had been longer than 1 year, you would pay long-term capital gains rates based on your income. So,
wow, they really take the fun out of NFTs, don't they?
They really make you think about it. So these flippers, these people are there flipping them all the time. I don't get it. Yeah, I truly don't.
I was just going to say, I bet a lot of these NFT traders or the flippers are going to feel a lot of pain come tax time, unless, of course, they've prepared and set aside, money for taxes.
Yeah, definitely. And most of them don't. So most don't understand this, Michelle, and will definitely need to keep accurate records on their sales and purchases. And today we're starting to see software created to track both sides of this. So,
all right, well, we talked about investors. What about the creator side? How are they taxed?
Okay. If you're a creator, you'll pay taxes on any sale your NFTs created at your ordinary income tax rates.
Okay.
No capital gains here, as you created the NFT in your business and you sold it.
Okay.
So it's a product you sold. So,
product.
Okay. You could also pay self-employment tax depending on how you set up your business. If you set up your NFT to also pay you royalties, you would pay ordinary income taxes on these royalties, and again, possibly self-employment taxation.
Okay, so for clarification, creators are taxed based on how they set up their NFT business.
Yeah. So since there's no capital gains here, they're taxed at ordinary income rates, and if self-employed, could pay self-employment taxes as well.
Got it.
The bottom line is, no matter if you're an investor or creator, you will need to keep detailed records of all your transactions.
All right. So this leads me to my next question, which is, how do you track all these transactions? I'm assuming that not every NFT marketplace sends out tax documents.
You know what? That's right. Not every marketplace will send the tax docs like a 1099 out to you. And that's, some of them, they're not required to as of yet. So there are online softwares that are starting to pop up. If you do a quick Google search, you'll find several of them out there right now, but just stay tuned because they are expanding and they're going to have to adjust these based on any new legislation that comes out on the taxation of these. So,
Okay. Well, this has been really informative. If you have NFTs, be careful and make sure that you keep accurate records because this could be an absolute nightmare. All right. Thank you, Brian. And on that note, if you liked the content of this video, make sure to like it. Help us grow this channel, please. And also subscribe so you don't miss another video from us.
Definitely.
Thanks, Brian. And thanks, everybody. Until next time.
Thanks, Michelle. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.